As a content creator, if you don't know anything about ChatGPT, then you are wasting your time. You know why? At a point you will run out of content. Yes, as an upcoming content creator, you might be struggling with what content should I bring out today? What content should I not bring out today? Which content will work for me, or which content will my followers, my viewers enjoy more? Do you know that those questions can be answered by ChatGPT? Yes. Now, mind you, this video is not sponsored by ChatGPT or any platform, but out of my love for you as my followers, my subscribers, so I'm making this video for you. If you are at this time, you want to become a content creator, or you are already a content creator, but you don't know how to use ChatGPT, then I will advise you to learn it. You can follow me because in subsequent video, I'll be teaching people how to use ChatGPT
Oh,
and the rest of it.
wow.
Yes, do well to subscribe and follow me. So go and learn ChatGPT, master ChatGPT very well. If you can do this very well, you cannot run out of content. Let me repeat that part for clarity's sake. If you can make good use of ChatGPT, you cannot run out of content.
Wow.
ChatGPT can help you provide topics. Did you get it? It can help you develop topics. It can help you summarize topics. It can help you summarize. In short, write the whole script for you. Write it in many ways. Put it like a drama. So ChatGPT is so powerful. So if you don't know how to use ChatGPT, I will encourage you go and learn ChatGPT. Go and get it. Even ChatGPT 4 can even produce videos and pictures for you. Can you imagine that? So then, what are you waiting for? Go and get ChatGPT for yourself and maximize it. If you think that this content is valuable, kindly like, follow, and share. Subscribe if you haven't done so, because I'm coming up with more of it. I'm coming with more of it. Why don't you follow so they can learn more?